And welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Let's kick off with football. Mike Ricketts is now the new president of the Jamaica Football Federation after turning back the challenge of former CASAFA president, Ambassador A.B. Stuart Stevenson 8-5 at Saturday's election at the JFF headquarters.
Leading up to the day of the election, the forecast was set in the direction of Michael Ricketts, while things began looking cloudy for Stuart Stevenson. It seemed there was only one uncertainty, and that was what would be the margin of victory. At the count of the votes, Ricketts was quickly out of the blocks, registering the first 5. Stevenson would close the gap with the next 4, but that was the closest it got as Ricketts polled the next 3 votes to win the race and live up to the favourites tag. With his victory, he moved to the high office where he will now serve the next 2 years as president of the JFF.
Excited, elated, but understand what the challenges are. Well, of course, based on the canvas that we have repeatedly done, it's not too much of a surprise, but I want to be humble in my response, and I want to be humble as a leader, but at the same time I want to be very effective.
Ricketts says he had his detractors going into the race, but will now work to prove them wrong.
I always say that Jesus was crucified and he never did anything that was wrong. So who am I that I shouldn't have detractors? And this is an election, and everybody couldn't vote for you in an election. So of course you're going to have detractors. But we just must now work and prove our detractors wrong.
Challenging as the job will be, he says, it is manageable.
We still do have challenges, but again, I'm going to say, with the staff members, with the directors, we are pretty confident that we will do a good job.
And Ricketts is being supported to do a good job by the outgoing interim president, Bruce Gaynor.
Mike is not an individual that is going to run a JFF alone. Mike, and as he said earlier, it's going to be inclusiveness. So you're going to have me, you're going to have the other vice presidents, you're going to have the general secretary, you're going to have the board, which consists of 13 other members.
Meanwhile, Stevenson left the election disappointed, but believes that the delegates are always key.
We thought that our plan would have brought tremendous benefits and growth to Jamaica. I was very confident that we're going to do a lot for Jamaica. But not this time. Mike will have his time, and who knows what will happen in the future.
Ricketts will serve until 2019, when a new president will be elected on a 4-year term. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.